Yeah. Alright, mwanchumo ligeria gitaseni Kiandizi TV eira twakurire takurutiko liegoro kurwa emambia na wikiraboni ga twene kiringana intu tonyera kubatugukirania eire yo gwetera asogika kwaye imeya studio omujumbe wa constituency ya Bomachoge Borabu omweshimiwa engineer Obadia Barongo. Karibu sana mimi gitaseni Kiandizi TV.
Lema sana mimi.
Na kiogenda mheshimiwa.
Mbiyande.
Yes.
Ngakia yogenda.
Ndio very well.
Alright.
My time bara watanga gusinenke but I'm told it twara kunya ko sori mega camera awata na be jamwere bosongo ga iga bantu bakonya gotanga jam teyo bosongo ga sito it means the town is growing
ngoja komere city wangu tosoko gendera buna togendera.
Yes,
it will be a city.
All right, bienvenue sana, karibu sana nyarako kwani mwanchomo ligeria ni aneno mwakie kurabwa bunge yago nyarako bago kumukwani marako bebona
bantu baminto babo Machoge ya Borabu nabakwanire mugoroba ya rero secretary yeso mbiyamore obotegereri obuya.
Bienvenue sana, karibu mwanchomo ligeria nene mwakie kurabwa bunge eyo ya Bomachoge nobate obo sibore bugo sange kerenga kiaga mona inte nabo igo liboliria gwetara se mitandao yote Facebook Kundizi TV News Digital no tore live bo igo gwetara ACTV yago namba ya SMS negento ko gwetana na ACTV yago sanga liboliria go na ekerengererio kiago na kibo Machoge ere mushino
Machoge mbiyere.
Yes,
naona arure chinsechi. They are fine, they're just minding egasi yabo yobolemi kama kawaida. Abana ngogenda bale chiskuru abangi namba gende tokore biashara no bon ne biombe no boncholerie era ne litukolia Jumapili yarenge otwarenge sekanise kurukunganya bongo.
Yes,
PAG Church ase twanyara go sese ni kabisa.
All right. Bienvenue sana, karibu Imeyandizi TV asentunda entangani kegima mheshimiwa tote turarigirire tu amagendro abere atata yagenda takobaga ko gendro ne myaka ibere bono kurunyara ko bagosoa abisi
myaka ibere yari yarete taretiso motienyo nane motienyo oetete
bakotabana ko musana umwari mukwero kurebekera kwegecyura ebekera amagisiga akirenda mutempted gukuburi nga oroche as scale ya 1 to 10 emyaka ibere yaitire. Where do you belong?
Again ndara ko visa. A lot of work yabege tu ase ogo plan aso kobeke a foundation.
Yes,
Yibono ndo chenga twakorire. So on a scale of 1 to 10 what I was.
Yes, 1 to 10.
1 to 10 kola ngino tolega 7.5.
7.5.
But bana matukago suka ndo jeto sukipa ka 9.5.
Totally above average. All right, mwachomo ligirira naye bono umwaki kura naye mubekirango scale ya 1 to 10 nga yoroche omweshimiwa engineer Obadia Barongo nyarako bagwikania emeroberio ya amagenderero asesemeyo tutaragenda tuligirerie anga gitengwa bwate e bill gite kwale gusugumaria parliament. By the way, bribery act nga yachite kaenda uchi
Bribery Act manyete ekere twanye chagete ekogenda to the departmental committees.
Yes,
bone gache kagenda se committee kurukunga budget bagacha bakanyoranga elindete goika yani chi uniform cy'abasigari kirosigu afresh.
yes,
goika chi camera chiri chigorwe e bill abete enene sana. So ngatebikunga ase bono igese nginche country tabwati chibesa ebili ina bakora kanerengia batese nginche chibesa chitayo na botoranyare konyetiga ase chinga kechi.
All right, koragana kwa lochiko bago ko gosera banyimbo sana ekero baitega tiemero yari ko bagikira niwe biri emegweta utatwara emebuko ase uniform chiao. I don't know, are you really friendly na banyimbo
njeni ko natagete ko bakonya babere bakungacha bana inji abanje ko bahama haki.
Yes,
natagete ko range kerwa nyori uniform chitabwati emebuko ngakiko zekere mwana njatara mwa riaki mbarore mbiya bosembobera.
All right, bienvenue sana ikirwa seto bisi gatibo ya monjori kwa nyatoko bo kweneke badanga gitu makoyo moiga no kora mangana area alignment ya parliamentary staff bonege kiroko gechi na kirocha they doing ose ano gwato murobeli go kora monjori lianda.
No, the staff bono to bwate obisi.
Yes,
they know that our biggest customers or that our biggest employers naba na inchi be constituency ya Machoge Borabu.
Yes,
all of them na haruri ngamba bwata maskani ya manene aso mwananchi kawaida na inde eyiye bwana tekiagera mwananchi uria nere otoligete emirimo twensi inche amo na wafanyakazi abana bonse.
Alright. Bibona sana mwanchumo ligereria ndochi na bangi bagirigetia maburi tayari achakirege ganto ya ligeri badai chinga kitoke ntokopata kusanga amono mheshimiwa engineer Obadia Barongo imeyandizi TV. Ikiganchagia CDF mheshimiwa. Nkienya ndeko bage comment ebitoki geteigoro iga. Bono intigete turatweresanga impact ki o comment ko ebitoki ki bwanya ko bokoreta as chi project ao ichigendrete as a constituency.
Nga community. Eba mentete chibesa from umwaka ulio last year.
Yeah, kuru mwaka ulio last year financial year.
Because kuru mwaka ulio because from 23-24 esingenjo tu akana finance bill 2024 chibesa chiri ngocha comment tu arenge around 30 million kere constituency.
Yes.
Lakini kere tu shoot down a bill area. Ntora nyole notification komanyanga chibasa chiri chiko chikutigara siarenge onya chiko chikomenteke chirabase komenteka asinini buno manyete enyongeza ende onsi ye chibasa cha CDF nege ntokere ekia sana kiagara chibe ege minute nga chibasa echi echiko chiko chase omwananchi o kawaida chibasa china botora amwe komenta chibasa chiri kero mwanafunzi akonyora asenchira ye bazari. So enyongeza yo ende onsi ase CDF ntokere very welcome.
Alright, bimono sana mwanchomo ligereria tokene tokobato kuligeria amagendro imeya constituency yabo machoge borabu by the way ntaraiba the former mo bunge uyunyara ko bagakora nsemeria kitena bongo kwali bageri naye uligereria ekamereria uratuma na irambirambi yago gekugera mugene tokomo komboleza
mbiya mura misi ntagete kwera libageri oteba pole sana ase family yo mheshimiwa orenge obumachoge ekere konyore tarabagwa machoge ngima ekeramente tebo borabuna chache omheshimiwa Simon Ogari arama na ndendwe pole ya bene asa machoge baminto ba chache Ogari no monto orenge omonto ole straightforward na interacted nera keigo na manyete buno monto otali kobisa na ndetali ko please bantu lakini omonto orego ko correct korwase asagia sana senkoro yae asa igo tualuziri ekiongozi wengenjo na ndo lenge omwana chama bwe kiama kya ODM asa igo na machoge etwetu matete lakini togo sababa gusi at large asa inchera yogo respect legacy yo mugako yo Simon Ogari togendre osabere familia na ande merobe ndete Nairobi ninde party yemerobe yo yaba gusi bonsi asa inchera yo korobelia tochiko koresa bali yo mheshimiwa ito echikobesa bali rengia abagusi chinsemo chonse asemo abeta to abakaribishire ime abo machoge chache ekereto gwakera mheshimiwa Ogari ekwaheri.
Ndiye mno sana tuchakirango ensemo ya security iyo meant to believe nigere under national government asobangoiga nkwabwe ntwaroche omonchorerio yo munyara tokoba gusagano asensameria okarakano gweso kia tayare okugikeria egakorekyo rogatebanga oburinde bunyara ko bugutiniwa aye yora under national government kuwetania okugikeria engane yo ndochimero berikero kweneke ngonga oburinde bunyara ko bugutiniwa
omanyete ekero gotegere ground mono amisi naboko manyege ntokegendete abana inchi ba magena na abana inchi ba machoge borabu in general ebagotebanga law enforcement officers ba rally race gasi yabo ba beire complacent yani engabuna bono bebire emeremo yabo bagokora ni ntema ko batebinga ya nesinginjo batabwati Land Rover ekonyara ko bakonya gukora chi patrol ebagotanga yes Land Rover ero nebwenete baligerigu igina inde gwetera obisi yane twa petitioniri ministry enyare go equip chi police stations chonzi tali ya machoge borabuyo ka magena lakini chi police stations chonzi chireze imeagusi ndaba siga limba bese tware gesingizie kenga negali yabolete yakanete mbanya aragoikera aba bisabalia baba na inchi asechinga kichiri chikorete chibwenete generally igoro nona alinge magena na address ti aba na inchi batebetenga barabwo mbata getikorora abanyanyimbo bali baralia magena ase igo omanyete sauti aba na inchi ne sauti y'abantu abange it is upon me and the national government to make sure nga where transfers chaba visa are required aba visa babe transfer torrent aba visa para hao bara nyale ko tili ya maanani egasi yo to make sure nga security abeire maintained meya makena
tali mageno ka mwishimiwa no chisemo chiria chia Kenyanya na buiga suba ngontwara tu ama kweli yobo tutukano agenda ko bakwane kibotokara no nyaba na inchi basokiraria bakwemurungania aboiga bakanyara ko bakorobekana in general amangana as security is a big issue iyo ero also fundamental anene gocha serikali kwani Kenya ko bekomoroberi.
Director of criminal investigations va sub county hito. In fact, oyo mokoro kumukangai na kuete bunango kwa naiga.
Yes.
And I want to say my sincere condolences as mwabisoyo mukangai. Na rekonyo okogendia amangana yo obotuki. Wa mangana ngabunaya ime sub county hito.
Yes.
Obotuki bonde bwaro kiringa amakweria na ari agochiaba associated na amangana ya maru. Amakweria ande na ari asengenjo uhalifu. Moroche Kenya buna yabeire joblessness yabeire enyinge ubugima bwa kongere generally aba youth babeire batabwati emeremo so obo sali bwa kolireki kwamentekani lakini komenta naya ama kweli yabeire amange ase egepindi gesinini ne takeire nga director of criminal investigations va strengthen investigations chabo because bono bona investigation yeyo mumuroyo kuri Geoffrey Mageriu onyarete ko baga kosirio bugima bwaye umuroyo mona babwate tu akaitwa n'abantu baringe very hungry ase etukieri lakini mumuroyo mo igakorete igatamete onekera nekete asa basigari n'ababole tinga kikaimo national government kebwate network yengi macro the country ngaki mumuroyo ataraba ko baga korek akobwato so igonda nyale go encourage aba DCI gusiengima babe on red alert ne ministry enyale go to aba obisa baisaine nabana inchi banyale nabarabu kolenta information kyagera basali aba bamenyete egati aba na inchi
Yes.
information ndio nzikyagera basigale bare go tenga aba na inchi baabo ire kolenta information asebali so ndakete go encourage aba na inchi aba machoge ba minto lente information yeyebosio. And then ganya morolenge information yaba aba officer are they going to act on this information onyete konyare kana ndio libona nabo to kunyara koire atua yoko tanga ki wamezembea kazi na kwa hivyo waondolewe.
All right, marako ya no mwanchumu ligireria sange kerega kia gonto chikoba to kwereri bagalito ko ligireria gati ya mabuli ne biregeri bino magana takuba mugo sanga mwishimiwa you can bear witness nga chinga kwa sweto obisi ebimonyo na okumurunganikero kende kwa lengo chini ya majinga mwishimiwa soire abisi na kiao chikoba okora omochando weke nyumba in terms of job allocation. Have you dealt with that or set tayari bado igraona kego?
By the way, I think I've done the best job any MP in my constituency could have done.
Yes.
I am on record very, very many times saying that we need to do an audit because one case here right okoranga ninjo mujumbe gweka busi okona koboli griswali ya bose
it's okay
bose yani koboli griswali yeli kerenga kigoro ya whether or not obokenyo mbaroro ase abokoreri bwa
yes
aki we are open abafanya kazi mbwate bara around 35 I have allocated emeremo kulingana na population
yes
ye constituency yani so okonyoranga award buna bono bokimonge no nkorwa ye bwate population ya voters bara around 20,000
yes
award ya magenje bwate voters bara around na barabo 20,000 ya equal osekoligeli the way na distributed the jobs it is actually equitable yes it is equitable obviously ane Nairobi nimbate researcher is from Magenche ward. Omonterebone na mate obonterebana obwente ko choro monto
of course wange kigima
aboko mo kinonyi no mansa yokoleki but omonterebone no mo machogo burabu omo murokoro kunga Alex Onyimbo
yes
korwe ward ya bombaba so ndagete ko tabaiga without any fear of contradicting myself that most of the people that are employed in my office, most of them are youths, asengencho, aba youth abange na bara unemployed. Most of most of these employees are abantu bare young, na the distribution ya abafanya kazi yane it is so equitable that I think this question should we put it
all right. Thank you very much. All right, mheshimiwa no alegege me studio kero kendo nyoko batali bolia na bogo sanga amona intwe na alegege ero lekole kubolia nga status ya daracha ne bale liye gotoka nga daracha kari yako. Do you know about it?
I know about it.
Yes.
Pare yo ya chagetwe kare. Think around 2019,
yes.
If I remember correctly. Between 2016, 2019, but I think it's 2019. We have not been in government or been in the opposition. But thank God, Omonene Raila Odinga, Navaswa as again to soft handshake, ne a government. Obuya, Ekerena Agenda State House, Li Tukoli Tanga, you might say an Agenda State House, Nairobi, Li Tukoli Tanga P, in August.
Yes.
Ngoikagalia, Ekeromo President, one agriculture project, Chira across a constituency. Namana Yarda Komotebingo Mogak. Age konyari kananju bomachoke bro because kere kwirite obviously kwatebetenga you're going to be a president for everybody lakini rende kere goja kere kwatebete ko be president for everybody inga kirendo tana go bomachoke ekera goja koigore cancer center ya bosongo egatoka ngo contractor be cancer center no mo contractor be pareye ego etosumbuete ne no montayo ngatebi mo president gari nga omo contractor ko gendete ko musuguma igoro ya mangana cancer center motevi nga chidaraja chepara ya rio kindo magenje njira koraki ere week he gave me his undertaking and nguchi na to promise tinga ngo chale go cha imeabo machoke barabu around October a schedule ya eta change
yes
ngocha go chale go deal ne issue ye pare ere week as the president of the Republic of Kenya.
Mheshimiwa labda ie pare geranda obotenele bwa kera gose kena na kirokende
ere para ya kera.
Yes.
And the biggest problem ne pare is that a contractor gari owed chibasa chinyinge sana. Okolire gasi lakini serikali tera ikera ko mwakana chibasa se gasi iri akolire ega serikali edonoroje tayare igere in dire straits yani gere functionally broke. So goika mnando chike go chikoba agocha kwa chibasa chinke at least have encouraged ararosi ebitambo kiriri kwanza.
All right.
Amanya gocha komendo chibasa chinde chinyinge baadaye achiko chikokora epara yo enyene.
Singa joto irene igoro liri boli ritekata tutora kona gati yechi para nero ya nyango so transmara etono randon nabo igo mokobo etago magena emesa. Status yechi para yechi mshimweneria.
They are decent.
All right.
They are very decent. They are carrow roads. We routinely maintain them every financial year.
All right.
I've actually used some of them. Now to me, some of those roads, they are okay.
All right.
Yeah.
People san inge kwere ekeganche ke gia CDF aneno koranga igireta percentage ni gekobeka gochia sense mo yechi basari go sechi semi koranga mirobiriende nyale kobeka tumaiga.
Abazongo bagote about the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, a society in the onzi, igego chikoba as successful as era nyaleko kosomia a population yai. Kenya, abana bange, ebago ruase chinka chintaka. As in NJU, ababoli ebago struggle ko bagolera essential needs.
Yes.
Na ko provide other things, including one education. Serikali is committed to making sure that population ego ahead of the future preparedness of society and the that's why prioritizing a bursary ego chigotieria abana the future ya Kenya chiba za chisaine na ndine njere ya moyo okonya abaiboli elinde banyare we sustain chi family chiabo.
All right. Ase abisia mheshimiwa lende twatebrenga chibasi jinga no chigo so asike ganche kyogie chibasari na ki ogen uero berete na kwene kenga transparency maybe a cheki ya bere cash do chia school no managete how do you make a follow up procedure chigo kubata ko make sure nga a cheki ne chibasi nyare ko bachigo ikira na bokoro mibonde bataya so abisia
amanye tebono mo fund manager amono mo district account.
Yes.
Now we went the account for that money. So essentially what happens is the fund manager must make sure that every check has been accounted for. Na inde nonyeni nchoma nyene making sure nga fund manager no DA ba make sure nga reconciliations che account ya ito cha koliro.
All right.
In addition to that, aba auditor mbaroro kurwase NGCDF board bagocha kumuleka kuligelinga chicheki chuna chiko ba issued kogenda chiri cha benefit abanafunzi unakoleteki buneganiri.
All right.
On top of aba auditor buba NGCDF board nomanye tento bata an independent office koroku office of auditor general gocha bale baligereri books chake constituency make sure nga chiba se chingo tumeka chire une eganeiri go faidia abananchi.
Alright, kuruwa kanyimbo nere toto la Kisii. Ho nasungira utabani kwa ndani. Asante sana mheshimiwa. Is one of the youngest MPs that we have from Gusii region. Mwambie keep it up. Especially asensemo ya magendo na leo kuruwa leader most welcome my area MP Ndizi TV ni Wycliffe Mose kuruichuni Nyamasogota agotabanga mheshimiwa Badia ako juu kimaendeleo na utazidi kumsupport. Right. Dion Siagi na leo mheshimiwa ongea maneno ya dira. Sijui anamaanisha nini mheshimiwa Kiragana? Do you understand about it?
I know Dira. Dira is a gentleman from Kenya.
Yes.
Who is a businessman. Bono, I think recently his car was found torched and I think he also lost his life.
All right.
In the process. I do not have the finer details around Kiabete Haswa, but I'm sure the government or the investigative agencies are looking into that issue.
Yes.
Hotema Komanyanga nga Kiabete Gose Kiachiete lead into his death. There is a lot of stories going around in Royobo Salia, but I will leave it to the investigative agencies kuamua if that indeed was the case.
Very active case kyo mheshimiwa mbimano asingicho yo kubatwa na ingwana yago igoro ya engana eyo tukwanere igoro ya stalled projects nchiroro chinyinge mheshimiwa twarore nonye chiwiso blower chiesereka gosabe sokire bagonya gutara in your constituency. Can you talk about the stalled project kero kenichilanya kwa chiko ikiraniwa na ande moro beri kwanya ko gokobeka?
Okay. When I came into office, obviously some projects Chiabete initiated no more outgoing MP, like Nyakorere in Magenche Ward, Igorera in Bombaba Ward. There was also another building. Better allocated some money, but what Rangles, Ekorokunya Nyamesocho Primary School. Then in Bochiborabu Ward, and then there is a school Ekorokunga Kenya DEB Primary School in Kimonge. So there was like one project in each ward. Okay? I can ask you, Mofis, Hamis, I have not stopped allocating monies as a chief project Chichons.
Yes.
And I want to say here, and I'm very pleased to report this, that 2027, all these stalled projects would have actually been completed.
Yes. Being
politics, politically, you know, politics as maybe I would have wanted to tamper or mess around with the allocations. But their interest and their welfare na mazingira sababu soma igare more important. And so tinchie tiko teneni allocations chinde chonsi those projects mine ya igorera ime abo mbaba borabu ward.
Yes.
I'm happy to report to aba mbaba that Igorera is now complete. Dakikende onzi ngoja tole gali tobugie bigitureli to celebrate these small wins nyasanya riko koraki go to hanchera. So I am not aware of any other stalled chance p amisi because njeno monya biasara ekere millions chire pumped as a project ekamenya gotebu nga gere stalled na nje mane go jan ngende kora those millions chiko lay gali to waste ikonda kana uno muntu utachiti school.
Right.
Yes.
Bimono sana tukonera ngo igoro ya connectivity yestima ane the last mile eyibago ta project iyo nkwanyara ko bago connect iberisa toiga asensa media
na nyora in fact kwanza mwako yo buoka nanyorete chi scheme gete chitalinke cha Kenya Power to chikorenta as a constituency yani. It's a long list. I hope I can be able to read some of them. It's a long list, basically. Yechi scheme wecho. And the way to make the scheme wecho, to actually distribute it in such a way that echiroro across the constituency. Yeah? I'm a member of the parliamentary committee on energy.
Yes.
So, as in that, every Twamapiri electricity in my constituency, I think, ma. As in Arakurunga aero mokomoni, in my amagench. Estimango Jerego Choro. As I yege soon take care of Kyokumia. As in Arakurunga Nabiosi, imea magenche ward. Ege soon take care of Rockera con Antere Navone Querende half cote, how call it obegete. Imea magenche.
Yes.
Imea bochiborabu. As an Arakurunga suguta. Estime etali.
Yes.
As I estimango chereki, gochero. As an Arakurunga bosunya. Bosunya estimango coreric, gochero. As an Arakurunga votondo. Yani bochiborabu nere somehow well covered. But estimango coreric, gochero. Imea ewodi eto ya Bokimonge. Into a launch estima as a group Rehab. I come from Rehab, which is my home polling station. Yani, koike estima ya lekobe kwa rokia gana njeno mojumbe. Ma techi zanchiri toko enda tuwa kore mekutano ya parliament. Aseki, asesi.
Yes.
Nga kibono nda kore mekutano parliament.
Anya estima teyo.
Estima teko le tiki.
Alright.
Teyo minto. Nekere ya achete minto. Koika ya leko ganda se a surrounding village. Emanyego njena bakane timboma seko ngestima nyemurawa. Abantu bane be village estima. So we have distributed just image very, very nicely. Ime yabo machoke bora.
Labda mheshimiwa kone tu analika kwa kwa Emanuela agotangaleti mtoka botu nyamiubo metembe electricity ayenyali promise na kirokinde nga wate birenga nkuchira how soon aba menya aba kirokinde barachikoba.
In fact nyamiubo ntonye begetese a list of schemes chipenda go chokorwa. Metembe estimango chero kerongorori estima neche choro to ire estima ririwe to ire estima mogumo maximization nere mogumo magenche ria mangata e transformango kolereki gocheroro asakuru kunganya ngweta imea magenche asakuru kungeberege estima ya kolereki ya chirororo rio ruongo estima neche koleki neche cho lakini gento nataka gotebia abantu baminto ekereto goteba estima neche chiche temine estima yengochere imeyeme tienyerenga ebere estima ekora kolerwe gento gekorunga survey o survey no gwetana na korigeria mirangu nerenga oseme chinerenge ganetie estima kereba nyorire michieye bagenda bone stage ekorukungo go design barigeria topography ya sayo barigenganga kime chipost chiko chakora chiko chakobeka kereba design ri bamenya kugenda gento gitokoroganga budget bakore budget budget yagenda yaba approved kere yabira approved chibasa chabekirwe bono bamanya goswa bono gukora contracting asa bono bagochikoriyo mo contractor ogocha gukora ki ogocha kobeka chipost chiria mo contractor yekera achorirwe oikanyore chibasa amanya gochikochaka go procure agentoki materials bono mumanye the government bureaucracy neroro
ne process
abantu baminto gento nanyale ko bateo machoke bamto baborabu please to tware patience chi project chimna nateba chiko cha gokorwa na bochiko cha gokorugo lakini nchiko ba immediate tige process ya serikali tomanye gocha gocha kora chi post ne chi waya chi gochicha.
Right. Mheshimiwa no manye test kure kwa mokomoni
ni nyamanye.
How did you just get there? Kirokende kero utageta kutale skuru mune yo how is the road network?
The road is not good. I want to admit that the road is not good.
Yes.
And I was meeting some wazes today from that area and that road na nyetebi gubya sana. It is not a Kera road. Telie para ere yomo chuma. Igere para yomo MCA. Lakini sengenjo pressure ya beire sana kurwase people on the ground. I want to report here. Nga aso mwako yo financial year ya 2024-2025 pare itwanye bekiroro nechero sigubwango ga abantu bamitutika batware subira pare into chitonya kolere mirimo.
Alright, bimono sana. Somebody was saying nabona onye skuru basira ali na bintu binde lakini gosokeri nyale ko bakora obasombi bwa bana na bintu binde imekuwa challenge kidogo. Mheshimiwa Nega, we need to take with a lot of urgency.
Before the end of this year,
yes,
that road would have been done. I promise my people that.
Alright. Agati chigakichiria chi industrial park Mheshimiwa Jale kwa chikwa gacho. I think in Kisii County your constituency was lucky to have one.
Yes, ntobwate industrial park asakuru kunga tongeri in Machoge Borok in Bokimonge ward. It is actually currently being constructed. Indoche works nchika ndete barosiri a few houses chiko host materials. These heavy movers nchira on site.
Yes.
Again teke industrial park nekoroteki na again the korosiwa. Eto wakero mo governor Simba Arati. Na serikali ya Kenya kwanza mbia mono sana. Asa kutolenteri project. Unomanyete umachoge chinyeni chonsi chinsaga gesare amanogu esuguma
yes
ekabechi chinyeni echi chonsi pi ngora ngi constituency yetu na retanga ine meagusi, and this industrial park iko chakotokonya sana in terms of aggregation elinde a value enyare gotoka ase omole miuria.
Alright. Bimono sana mwanchomo ligirele bali bagenda kwa bagusanga muna intwe nindoche amabuli na bange bakonya kupongeza mheshimiwa nalego kurugelija makori agotabanga bimono mheshimiwa asiga singio kwa hata kuna watu Kenya hii tangu 1960. Alright, anyway, alright, ngati ya ebirengererio byabo bagenda kwa bagusanga amona birebyo mheshimiwa eskuru ya Nyambunwa Nyamesocho ntwaro chenga of late no genda kwa kwa launch ngati ya emerobio kurenga comprehensive amangana yamagacho na bintu binde so far how do you balance in terms of kwene kianga at least kera award yenyere kwa bagi gutwara a new launch no bwaga chwe birasi ebibira chikobi kwene kinga masoma nyere kwa bagusa
aba machoge abara abantu bara alert bare very and they go demand for accountability. Ekerena abegete centers of excellence within Bokimonge ward. It was following the advice yomo sub-county director of education. Oroche chiskuru gete gari ngoguchire if intervention is not done aso mwako ulio mutangani. So nkabeke skuru ekorokunga Kenyoro yabete condemned. In fact ekerena achieto aroncho monyene na nyorete nga banafunzi banganyiwe. Skuru yende korokukiru which was looking very bad. Ne skuru ekorokuri yabu. I gave them our center of excellence PFLOA MEM. Imea Magenche, there's a school called Mokomoni. It is also a center of excellence, and by the end of this year nabakonyo to akoroga ireigoro one to which kokore ekerama because it's also an 8 classroom project. Imea Bochi ntobate Nyamesocho is a 2-floor project. Igore had 3 classrooms amisi yotagarabia. These classrooms isato ena nyoretenga chisukuru chinyinge chao machoge barabu at least kire sukuru omo head teacher ga kontebinga gaki barongo kwale konga na nyine kirasi kemo wose bibere nabo kwale ko mpunguzera pressure ngateba bono 3 classrooms kagara chikoba chipa nabo to kobeka 3 classroom project iga so nimbegete 2 3 classroom projects imea bomba baburabu
yes
asa kurukunga ndereti. If you went to those schools, they were condemned. But soon they are going to have 3 classrooms at Gesabakwa, 3 classrooms in Dereti. Meabokimonge, 3 classroom project at Nyangeti Primary School. Nyangeti Primary School has 600 children. Hamisi.
Yes.
I gave them 3 classrooms, and I'm happy we launched it recently.
Yes.
Omwalimu has done a commendable job in the community. No more contractor. I'm really happy. Eskuru nere koroko endereti nere kerena chitoro. Remember Hamisi tindi kuchikoro si project yende osindara koraki njebwe ko monyene ndara ikoronde ngerorera na mais
yes.
Na nyoretenga some of those classrooms are really poor ngaratigambeke 3 classrooms ali but bono Magenche what nimbegete 3 classrooms asakoro kunga Magenche di okay. I went there physically also nkarebirasi ebyo they are kaput ngwa keromo contractor orombi yamono. Those classrooms are complete. We are just going to commission them, launch them, so that abanafunzi bali bachake ko move on.
Yes.
Asinara kurukunga ria Nyangita. esukuru erete pi amisi. I went also there and pledged 3 classrooms. Apparently birasi bisalegete biarete biaro se 2019 nyamioro ebire bitato. So we will just destroy those, bring them down and just put 3 new classrooms. Tokonye at least the pressure yesukuru yekoreki.
Yes.
Ganya. As esukuru nere korukunga nyamecheo. It's a very nice school within my constituency. I am aware they have pressure yebirasi. I am soon going to go there. Ngero na maiso tomanye go chikomanya nkitoranya ale ko bakora kurwa service ya CDF. But what I can say ninge committed to make sure nga kere ward omukero monto onyore egetari kiae.
Alright. Yemona sana mheshimiwa Chinga kichitondo cheche chire producer nago ndenga Chinga kichia chire kegima na mango mheshimiwa kwanyara ko bagukora na kwene kianga kwanyara ko bugukirania sensemo eyo ya magendro kirokinde na betanya rekane nsome chi ujumbe chonsi chire kaigana riga gukuru kwenche Matthew Enchogu yaberege umuchumbo badia barongo ne mamba ase amasyogose asensemo ya magendra gotanga okorere chipara amana yanda mang ngati yabali bagenda tukoba bakwene kia emarago bayabo no mheshimiwa turarutu ensemo yabo machoge turarigire tu igoro ya formation of the broad-based government. Just say that kaya moiga tu ngayuro cha serikali yerochi.
A broad-based ye nengia sana asengenjo ya rentire omorembe asense kara omorembe oro obonjorire bagokorwa nonyene serikali nabe kunyara konyore bango.
Yes.
Elinde chi program cha abananchi chigendere gokoraki gokorwa. Ntu buna kiama kia ODM abalende nche tali omosemaji bwe kiama lakini ana maoni ya yankuru na yane tu amisi. Intu buna ODM kwa represent ya mukia abantu be timu ya ODM ekabaso ya serikali. Ekagera omorembo gakoraki okaba. Intu bwatie coalition agreement signed ngatwasoire serikali. Gendo kiabeire nabasani baito basoire serikali. Ase intwe responsibility ya ito yoko gendera komekshwanga serikali ekomore kwa egendera gukora amagania y'abananchi tindo ochinga getango kende ngekorete nkero.
Alright. Demona sana ngana yago yo mweleke gimali tukolera ntorara omono geribwe bunge Moses Wetangura teba abachumba yare kunyari kana chinga kibakwira na ase bikaro ase umukubi yore ankyo Monyara ko mokwena na libagali nene asugo kwonena igoro yo muswada uria bwoko make sure nga abo bisabe kyombe kirikyo chori ya IBC banyare ko bago so service rindemero bili abutamenyara ko beko gendra service. What do you think?
Ngakatenga nomero bili omya kiagara chi constituency njire gitabwa ati bajumbe. Ne constitution yete ko tabanga kero mo Kenya na bwate right yo kubakilishwa ime ya bunge.
Yes.
So tose ko nyara go discussing aki etume yo ekoba constituted. Nebe buya elindebe constituted chi constituency chiri kitabwa ati abajumbe busaba MCA banyore nafasi yo konyora representatives babo.
Alright. Mheshimiwa banontegete enkwana yago nengana yo mwereke gima gochase omwaki ekurabwa ebunge yago na nene omo Kenya no mugusikwenza sa korigetie emarago bebona.
Aba machoge ba minta semore mbakire mbia mono sana ase chikura mwangete cho achinyinge sana. Nande mbaene kerienga eira twalieranete yoko barendera magendero ne iransigete mono sabera ne Nyasaye tobeamo nande nataka ko batebinga omopango noro abasongo bagoteba actions speak louder than words nabera anyale kutoka ngatindi ko communicate ibintu ngende to korase more buya lakini in the fullness of time moche kwarora mweka ali Nyasara abega kutwanchira tobakorere asege pindieke mbia mono ni bachete na twara obotuko obuya.
Yebona sana mheshimiwa by the way narege gota nga yayo mwaka uri okoranga nabo abange basikirete omwaka in style ali bwo gotemeti around eno kabwate mubango onde bwansi I don't know omurigereria okobore nga what do you think about this year
mono togoteba mapemo bwanzu na obora abaise koera tigama tukobuna ko na gusuka go chibusyo ndoje ko manyanga ngakito go cha kuvuko mwaka.
All right. Yebona sana mheshimiwa we give you a very short notice kwanyera kwa bako meki gaiga ocha studio tanyera kwa bako kwanera manga yalingete anene amagendro imeya ebunge yabo machoge borabu kurende asayo 10 ego sasa yikenda rikomi omweshimiwa atebire nchirare nare chimbero kwene kingunyare koba gwikirania echira cha magendere chenyalete kobaga kuriera abaki chikora ba NSMU mweshimiwa kwa niaba ya Candidates TV tugwakiranga mbiamo nabo twakuganirie obokori ubia bwemero bari abatambe ase constituency ya gensema ya kabiro nyara koba konekia chibi cha maniro gichago chira senchira yobo ikirano igakoro kwa Sara Mumanyeli anengoro kwa Josephat Amisi twabaterana amonere omweshimiwa no mujumbe wa constituency ya Bomachoge Borabu mweshimiwa engineer Obadia Barongo twakwanirie oborigire bya bumero bya kubwatia inigata seni Candidates TV.